The Tale of Genji, Noik, Murasaki Shikibu, Kazuyaga to Metataki people each resident better upcoming field. Your country of minute Kirikuru picture scroll, Akiko. Akikusa planted to your residence in the garden of Nakamaya is deliberately type a lot this year. Tasteful karaoke into it, Izuiwa in some places maze fence of Ikaji. Graceful field of time to pass every morning do evening do look at the scenery. Was interesting enough to forget also the spring of the mountain. Although people discussing the spring and autumn of superiority or inferiority were the large number of better to a good autumn since ancient times. People changed the longer theory of spring garden Roku join also had been in the autumn of praise. Who nowadays, like thing called the world, Nakamaya but is becoming come continue to your home life all the way our minds are attracted to this. Even if there is not there may be events of the meeting of music. August is Goki month of the previous Prince of Fukin since there was in more and more grass flowers in one to become your live Hibaka, two it became a prime. Wind of this year of no wake is blown out to about also changes the color of the sky in a stronger than usual momentum. Since the look wilt of the flowers is so even ill-advised person nor is it a love also. Aching for nature. The house is your illness made the Akikusa going disturbed miserably been scattered blown much less. Of Russia to see also is also basa the worry of enough to be thought whether untimely you become. Those that cover just the sleeve is actually also by the spring of the cherry blossoms seem to do what you need in front of the autumn sky. Day to not see the shadow of the trees and plants that are oppressed in accordance with Yuku after dark, but was afraid even to come soliciting of wind just because had such all be down lattice temple just pathetic to the grass of the flower other way then. Would you think also did not we have to? Since the south was even more of a palace of the immediately after repaired the front yard. There was no other than the original roughness of small hagias on the sidelines that the dishevel branches to abandon this no wake. The Akikusa, fu unfamiliar also is folded in of dew branch queen had looked out in the vicinity of the edge. Genji's was time that was in the place of the small princess. My wife had a lot looking without Nanishin through the lieutenant general was open Sumato from the top of the screen in the east of Watadono to come. Lieutenant general had accepted as unexpected to the sound stopped. Because well as folding screen I had been asked folding everyone for wind violent. But it is of much look good even better the previous one woman there entered in the eyes of Lieutenant General in the bottom of the edge with a tatami room. Not a figure that appears to be confused with the wives. Nobly and clean, and is willing to stand the quick smell, and feel like I found was blooming of beautiful kabasakura from the spring of the dawn of the haze. It is more charm to reflect up to the face of a person to look engrossed. Is a beauty never ever seen. From being blown up mistakes. While watching the walk wives is suppressed. The person laughed what did you do with either? It was very beautiful. It was purple queen purchase of without entering even to the back and sympathy to the flowers. Even so also there are just beautiful people wife. Is not Utsura I to such better. Not given the opportunity to father of the minister is close to yourself. Something like this a stepmother and his good looks man is no longer impossible a calm look. And I think that intelligent father was the did not familiar has to isolate. Lieutenant General become horribly its own gap scene of sin. When trying to touch a sorrow, Genji came into his wife in the living room and opened the west side of Fusumako. It's a bad day. You're busy wind. The lattice good, but would down everyone. Because the man of Yonin would have also in this area. To be a precaution. To hear of Genji is to say that. Lieutenant General was also accepted by to the original location. The queen was looking at the face while also smile Genji have said something thing. As not I feel that the parent Genji is young and beautiful. Looked like a beautiful man servings. When will a woman of beauty is also the time when it reaches the completion of the band. But I thought the Lieutenant General enough to shim to wear. The lattice of the east side also scattered, blown by the wind. Likely to be seen from in the place you are standing. I became afraid Tove dismissed himself, and I walked out towards the south of the edge while in clearing his throat to come now. That's why I was unwary. As I said, I found that the auntie said Genji was the first time perforated east of Sumato. But it is the many years these opportunities between was not captured. The wind, there is truth in the words that move, also a wow. Easy out to the end, even modest lady for wind. Given the rare joy to it was of that the Lieutenant General was, then I thought. It came out, house princess. There is very wind, since there is coming from the northeast. Here you will find not somewhat shore, such as Baba Temple, and the south of the fishing hall is probably dangerous. Such as a report to my husband. I had made a variety of instruction in the lower people. What came from the Lieutenant General, although there then was in Sanjo of the house. Young because is what most do people, and likely wind becomes stronger. We have been out here in worry. Therein is we may leave the forlorn, because I tale on the other hand cut. Such is the sound of the wind, also because you will need to fear once as a child, and I feel sorry to propose. Also we will Milo to there. Quote, and Lieutenant General said, it's really true. Early going, but I hope. Years is also in fact it's the all likely to appear as a wonder that of becoming a young child. Saying, and Genji had your sympathy to Omiya. Since you will find a noisy weather. We are worried about how on you. But we ask as do not do with peace of mind by this asin as we have attached you. A greeting that was saying Jute. Middle also Fukimikaru, but was the dreary if there is wind. Because there was a serious Kimiko, and grandmother Kun of Sanjo of the house. Yurta Fukin of Rokujoin, rather than the lack of mood ask. The court of your confinement 8, etc. In, except when, not get out to the outside from the imperial palace. When busy occasional patronage, even when a lot of use of public office is also out first previous. Fukin of Rokujoin, regularly that go to work to the imperial palace from Sanjo palace to a human being. And without the trouble well as sympathy, such as to exhibit only into such bad weather. Miya-sama became pleased as gained strength because Lieutenant General came. This is no wake of as my old does not yet experience so far. And it became come shaking, such as sound demanding branches of the large tree. It was also amazing. Also it came through to fly the houses of the tile was adventure temple became come to say. It was also basa gorgeous your life even if it of all the past. Is the impermanence also Kansas to look for your current situation so come to this person alone. In the news, is not necessarily it faded away respected so come received from the public even now. But there was a place that was lacking of warmth to the attitude to take your only child of the Lord Keeper of the Privy Seal rather. Lieutenant General that cannot be sleeping in the wind to continue blowing overnight had become a thing. Pathetic feelings. To not think that the lover is today. Remnants of the Queen of the Stepmother got the no for the first time in the observed gap was in. The wind was not be forgotten. Is it this is what was. But had been then seek to reflect think that it would be so that the commit in mind the day is Areta. Sin. Also the same vision was visible. Is who in the past to good looks also like not even in the future. Is that it can not even imagine that such east of Mrs. Def mixed into which is woven wife of so much. I thought Lieutenant General also east of the wife is poor. Venerable personality of the father of the minister is also the heir that has been proven by it. Serious Lieutenant General is not to be like think about the Queen of Purple as the object of love. But I also want my wife was such as it will be a short life oh well the people and live longer if put together with it he had continued to think. Wind became Murasama style rain turned heavy sound tinged with a little moisture to dawn. Buildings away in Rokujoin is there and all ramshackle. Samurai was reported and so on. While the wind is pulled massage. Wide Rokujoin the residential side of the minister but would be packed with people of many such as the east of the town is in the will that I thought with flowers Trasado Mrs. Kokorobasoku. Hitosaku Susumu surprised. Went out to visit from Sanjo the house by the time the grow light still heartwarming. Horizontal rain came blown to cool the car. Lieutenant General while also going a great way the color of the sky. The soul was somehow feel. Not come up to himself. This is what was it. Also as weather to myself was supposed to increase one pensive as a horror. As never have seriously with this. Yourself Lieutenant General arrived to Roku joined suffering to many also what was madness. Went immediately to visit the east of the wife. After lot of comfort a very frightened had flowers Trasado. Ordered the repair of places that failed to call I at Tsukasa. Then I went to the south of the town. It did not person also happens to not be still lattices raised. Lieutenant General was looking at the garden leaning on the railing falls before the bedroom of Genji, tree of Tsukiyama after the wind had broken a lot of such branches damaged. Of course, it is that the grass of the disturbance. Scattering is toka cypress bark toga tile. Toga Tatsushitomi Torukaki had countless fallen. Dew of resentment face grass in the sunlight which it refers only slightly was shining brilliantly. The sky is very cloudy. It's covered in fog. Lieutenant General cleared his throat wipes so as to push what's spilling tears without that. To have with respect to such views. Lieutenant General seems as coming. He would be too early. Genji was the Okidasu to say that. It seems something wife is saying. But the voice was heard laugh of Genji not here. Once upon a time also the farewell of dawn never allowed to experience to you. I would be lonely no the first time now. To say what I heard a well felt. The words of the queen is not hear it? And press from one of the words. It was found to Lieutenant General now IAU such a play is also a relationship was tense. Saw the Genji is open Tezukara the lattice. And refrain from that you are too close. Lieutenant General retired to a little later. How was, I guess was your joy as the temple like in that you have heard last night? Either is not. Will also be your crying that it is not anything and you're sorry because. Genji laughed and Lieutenant General says. It will not another long Irashara. But keep serve you sincerely say. Lord Keeper of the Privy Seal is sometimes became spilled you to me and not that way. I like it seems ornate Karaki. To the parent Takayuki also I take it from people who want to frighten the public I am the person. That cannot be like that you try to raise your Jomi. In a complex personality, competence that only the minister of the last days in the great sagacity I am a man of. Well it's since the drawback that to anyone speaking certain. Genji was saying and so on. What was coming out all officials with Nakamaya in that large air, it is anxiety that last night. Saying, Genji was put out to visit the Lieutenant General. Did why will come the last night of the roller's tight wind. I just do not now yet suggest because there is not Yoroshu the tone of the body from the little. That time, then it was doing to have a greeting that morning of the appearance of the young Lieutenant General exiting through the door of the corridor. Up there to Nakamaya of town was beautiful. Standing on the south side of the edge of a pair of east. Looking at the center of the main room. Grating it raised only about between the two. It had been outwives wound up a mistake still feign a saberake. Are we looking at the garden leaning on the railing we're just young wife? Even if it is regards without having to or come out to these foo in the congenial figure. This is put to saying to everyone clean a variety of outerwear. Is in the sitting that good feeling since has come out in great numbers while in overlap there were. Nakamaya is the so come let me put the dew on the insect cage and down to the garden dojo. Purple color. Dark colors such as pink color. In pale colors of pa, wearing what was in season. Such as a jacket of Amina Eshi color of thin. 4. Each about 5 people made a lump grass of your kanata to have walked to bring a variety of baskets. Come and take also such pathetic branch of broken natashiko. Is of them can be seen in the fog. Wind that blows through the inside of the parlor contained the smell of incense. Chamberlain. Kokoroniku of the world of the lady is rich in your residence to be remembered. There was as hard to come out Lieutenant General to feel like surprise. And walk make a quiet sound. Why, if we had entered into everyone tatami room without showing, even Fu was surprised to stand out. The Lieutenant General and many wife of acquaintances since then being in attendance on Nadagyo at the time of the Temple of your Imperial Bridal Party's entry into the court was also the place friendly, since I would like the greeting of Genji, your Prime Minister. Lieutenant General know that there is also such as maid of honor had been a while talking. Here also there was a noble air than all of the places. Lieutenant General while talking with wives in such a pure mood was not able to forget the plague of since yesterday, and come home in the South Palace with each other in the lattice is raised all. Mrs. was when the slept flowers with care last night looking it had fallen into disorder so as not maybe whereabouts. Lieutenant General went to the stairs of the place, reported your Stonehenge of Nakamaya, because there then that I am rough wind also was to ask youthful and would you please prevent us. We have the first time relieved to have received a sympathy. It is because of a feeble temple like I would have been so. Woman guessed because it was night and the feeling that my accumulated by everyone all afraid would have actually unkind to Oboshi Meshi, saying, Genji decided to immediately your visit, such as when the Genji enters by pulling up on the mistakes the other side of the room to wear a fix. Short from the looked of asked upright of people cuffs near Kicho. Such as chest raged and I think that it would be queen it made a sound. Lieutenant General had deliberately looked the better of the outside I think is that the trouble. Genji says to his wife in a low voice while facing a mirror. Is not that beautiful morning of the figure of Lieutenant General? I wonder because parents think so, but I still small look also been refined. His own face in the mirror is yet to be the ones with the highest superiority and beauty Genji had. Self-confidence. After it pains to prepare the well-dressed. When seeing you in Nakamaya always feel not better as sunny too. But not the any of insight then so come out to the table. Worried about those who come out to the front is used. Oh way to a woman. And high critical eye is equipped if you like that are. Although this is say well Genji tried to get out of bamboo blind. The Lieutenant General not less Fu unexpected tired of worry to the coming of Genji staring at one. Genji with a sensitive nerve is turned back. Did you see do with it Mrs. Come? Well not that of the Lieutenant General in doubt yesterday the wind saw you. Households would have been empty. The Queen in red face and say such a thing. Towards the Watadono those that did not footsteps of the people. I had to say, but suspicious. Genji walked towards the palace of Nakamaya saying the way himself. The Lieutenant General, which was carried out by the today. Between the Genji is entered into the bamboo blind of the doorway of Watadono. Go to the place that suggests a sign that gathered the wives. Or say play well also. The person who was able of new pensive had a Fu was Mei, then hero. While leaving the Genji to through to the north from there as soon as you of the town of Akashi. Do not come here in the person of Swift House Tsukasa wind. To have disturbed the grass garden. Such as made of Shimizuke out to have been the flowers of the settlement. Dojo Hadaitawa is out culling from the gentian and morning glory that love of his wife and a good appearance of the feeling had mixed into the other leaf. Akashi had become a thing pathetic feelings 13 had come out to the place close to the edge. While playing the harp of the Baal. So was the voice of a collect. Multiplied by the small uchigi drawn from the rod to the top of the normal where welcome te. Where you do not forget to pay tribute even if such a sudden it looks personality of this person. For a while sitting on the edge of the parlor. Saying only the sympathy of the wind. The attitude of Genji go back to as it is callous woman thought your Meshiku. And feels comfortable shim on the leaves over cahoots wind also float me hitotsu of Ogi of Ohokata. I had been humming a thing. When Genji went to the west of the pair of the east of the town. not sleep until dawn. Horribly night of wind was when Tamakazura that the overslept. After that barely sleep is looking in the mirror the Genji, and so that it does not very much to issue a voice of payment in advance if you are careful. Went softly to the parlor, such as folding screen. Also sit there in gorgeous autumn day to a crowded room. Folded everyone in. The place where it was entered was sitting is Tamakazura of vivid beauty. Genji is determined the seat to the closer. Rough wind of no wake is also here, was to be used in expedient to tell the love. Say that way a thing, because you will annoy me. I thought, tempted to go blowin' in that wind. When the Tamakazura say in Dutch and Genji laughed. Interesting. It is a little careless because let go anywhere in the wind. But there will be a place somewhere blown one to purpose. You also adapted to reveal the ego. It is also now clear that not love me. This is the most. And when the Genji says, Tamakazura, the color of the face that is laughing goes wrong with itself, and in which set in misleading the while. I thought the words looked gorgeous. To have a plump as a Mihazuki. The color of the peel which is visible from between the hair is clean. Eyes did not have good, only so much goods be too large. The other not even a little bit of disadvantage. While Lieutenant General father of Genji is speaking slowly, because this child of a different mother of one know the face of a sister once except in was to hope from hero. Bamboo blind at the corner of the room is also accompanied Kijo there, but remains disturbed. When viewed up its end softly, seemed well because had been all dismissed such thing as an obstacle between the center of the room, since it was to be seen to watch toying. It is a strange act. Not even in childhood who faced embrace even bosom a parent and child. Eyes were stopped, and though not of the reason maybe and Nani, although horrible, and do not find the and had been to Genji, and curiosity has accept the soliciting. The air you the princess has a little hide the body toward the pillar. Genji is not attracted towards its own. It was wave of hair closer. It was nearing spilled to suspenseful. While wind waves, such as a woman was also in trouble, and see people leaning against the truly soft, which is consent to be Lieutenant General better ends all the time of this over familiar scene. It is to be remembered of a con. Will somehow, because it is erotic your mind, will the also happen the mind to the daughter that did not grow at hand from time small. Also there but know the truth and sordid wonder this seems as to have Genji to know Lieutenant General is a pity. Tamakazura is not lit or even brothers. That it is a beauty that seems that it would also move the heart if you mother is different. Lieutenant General knew. Looks worse than the Queen saw yesterday. Glamorous. Such as those who are looking at his smile seemed to extend the same. That there was in the original sunset glow tinged with dew and bloom was prime of Yeve bright. Lieutenant General remembered looking at the person. Not those of these days of the season, but appeared to be still most closely resembles the person in the flower. Hannah is a beautiful and even flowers, and is also such well-disturbed stamen as to like are there along with the prime of flower. Beauty of the people is the not the kind of things. Nobody while the wife does not come out to buckwheat, had been told as close fu 2 men and women, stood up to put a what did you do with whether a straight-face Genji. Tamakazura is, by what Amina Eshi wilting dye to feels comfortable to Fukuranru style of scenery. And he said, this is to say the person is rather than heard the Lieutenant General, is to know when Genji was in the mouth. Unpleasant it is also to be pulling the curiosity, but I thought the Lieutenant General would like a little more ascertained. Had retired from there me not seen that there was close knee. Genji. Mashi quite common re chopsticks Tamaneshi Araki when if Shikur Nabikatu, no Russia. Take 2 role models the Jakataki. Said that I thought of. Although unexpected may have been mistaken ear of Lieutenant General. The people were heard it even when I feel bad conversation. Genji immediately from there to the place of flowers Chisato went, as prompted by the morning of the chill of head was the parlor of a such wives as cutting product. Took a year Mrs. Young wife that spread the puffy on the Hoso Hitsu was also clean some makeup was rotten leaf color of thin, such as pale finished good out silk purple is messy. This is what this is. I will be also spoiled this year such as the feast of the Kikusa under raids of you is one. Imperial Palace of the pot trees and flowers in a garden of Lieutenant General. It is gone so the wind blow off, as it can be nothing to see because not. It is a terrible fall. Quote, sayings such as, a look at what to become of one beautiful color of a variety of dyeing fabrics are gathered. The when a clever of these likened is a person that is not inferior to the south of the queen. Genji flower Chisato thought, was dyed and hand-dyed was a very good color with a dye that made picking China crest eye of the heel of the material of Genji from early autumn flowers. This sounds good color once clothed Lieutenant General. Will look to young people. Genji went back also said such a thing. The test of troublesome wives visitors went around to everyone. Lieutenant General by the standing of the time the gas went to the place of the princess's sister. Well I think, not a gas. I there then come to still your bedroom. When become you're scared. This morning there then not to be can you be on the other your place. If Nanny was talking about, I because it was bad weather. I wanted to give to the night watch here, but because the thing Miyasama Arc newsletter wants Kokorobo so I was gone to over there. Palace of Dolls was really very show. Wife says laughing. I because they're than even hardened fan of the wind. And let there be that wind. We'll be that no matter how troubled. Do not have the paper not anything. Then you have but let's borrow the inkstone you begin. And because the Lieutenant General said wife gave me out together an inkstone put it in one turn. Cover the paper out from the top of the shelf. This is difficult, standing in my role too good too. Saying also, Lieutenant General thought that the real mother of the princess is Akashi wife. Wrote with wry smile yourself too much the refrain. It was Asuki-sama of pale purple. Carefully and smoking a black. State of the Lieutenant General of writing and thinking while looking at the brush of the previous. Was a gloss. But the letter was intended to be written devoted to one woman to envy the young wife. Forget Ruru Manaku forget his unexpected kun also to wind commotion uneven Kumomifu evening. The letter was written the song called Lieutenant General to the ears of the turbulent Karukaya War. My wife, Major General of Katano is there so using the same color of the flower and the color of the paper. And he said, I because such a wind flow as I cannot be for me. Send it heard also because use such kind of things people will. Lieutenant General was talking to create a groove that does not so much Narina Rishikuta of this wife. It is likely a good young nobleman act of goods. When Lieutenant General Pass called the right horse assistant from writing another emails. Beautiful Wiraba Samurai and Yuzan Pass further Mijabasake to the man of Zujin that Mononera went out. Young wives had wanted to know the contents of the destination and the letter of the use. Princess to say that coming to here, clamoring standing wives is suddenly, were like a redraw cut of Kicho. Become a bother to try to see as compared to the beauty who had seen over the this morning from yesterday, when here Albert was not much interested, that except from the rib of Kicho put a body have a Miss Sumato. Princess there the first saw come into this parlor. It does not look exactly because my wife is coming and going in front. Wearing a light purple kimono. Hair thin small figure which has become as deliberately spread as better youngest still does not reach the hem of the kimono seemed to Karen. Until 2 years ago around as the rare face be seen. Lieutenant General thought then that time is also to be as became much more beautiful. It was thought that it would let alone become much beauty if became Myore. If you compare the two people of the beauty scene of Lieutenant General earlier in Cherry and Bright. This is so can be said with wisteria flowers. Wisteria that bloomed suffering from a tall tree has been thought to the beauty fluttering in the wind is such a thing. One to live to see only one to see these people. It is a stepmother, if his half-sister, but that cannot be of it is not rather unnatural. And I think the fact has become such a reproachful thing. Seriously, do this person was also feel that would be performed by longing soul somewhere? If you go to Sanjo of Mia Mia became come to the quietly Buddha worked. While some hear a young beautiful wife, dressed also intercession was also the pales when compared to people who are used to the wives of the prime of the house. Such as the wearing dyed black of the good nun wife's face immediately seemed well-feeling to the contrary. I feel worthy of such a place. Lord Keeper of the Privy Seal also come to visit the temple. Slowly, temple lit and lights became come talk. I do not see you long to princess. Really would be at the, and you started to say it in the temple has become to your cry. I kept you suggest in the near future. Made to a person in the pensive from itself. It is pathetic decline. It is what good without actually no such thing as a girl. Extinct in the struggle of the parent Nitsuke to put no thing. Quote, that the Lord Keeper of the Privy Seal says so that it does not yet fully forgive me about that old negligence. The temple is made to think you sad. I was not accustomed to put out wanted to be a come into the mouth. Minister to the continuation of the story. Daughter does not become the things we have trouble came out one person and appealed to Hahamaya. I would be why, is that there is no reason not quietly more than there is a name daughters. It does not go so. There is an abomination. It takes about I'd like to make to your eyes to your byword. The minister had to say. Thank you for your viewing. If you like, please subscribe to the channel. I am very encouraged.